Eli and Jason. Eli has the hiccups. It's Father's Day weekend, June 15th, 2019.
It's been another long night.
It's been a long night.
It's morning now, though.
Yeah, it is. That is a fact.
But Eli seems happy. That's all that matters.